Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to play CS2 on Faceit, right? So this is a website of Faceit. You can download it, but I just like the website. It's much more easier and smoother. So to get into the Faceit, you have to make an ID. It's just exactly how you make an ID over Instagram or Steam, right? You have to enter your email address and the password, and that's it. Right, once you do it, the interface will be look like this, and on the top bar you will see this play icon. So click on this. Once you click on this, you have to add a game, right? So I have already added CS2, but if you haven't, then you can just add a game. So guys, here this is a tab bar. Just click on it and you will get an option to add game. Although if you're coming for the first time, then automatically it will show it here, and I can just add my CS2, right? If I just click on this, then my game will be added and the interface will be turned into like this, right? On the left side, this is ranking, and basically it will show you where you stand. This is called party. You can just make your party or team and you can just play with your friends, right? And you can just explore those stuff, but that's not much important. Here in the bottom you will find this option connect game. So you have to connect your game, right? You have to connect Steam, right? So of course you need to have that game in your Steam account, right? Once you have that game in your Steam account, you can just play with it once you connect it, right? So this is the only way where you can play CS2 with on Faceit, and I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.